Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Mintzberg decisional roles. Decision making and its roles is an integral part of modern management. Essentially, rational or sound decision making is taken as a primary function of management. Mintzberg argues that making decision is the most crucial part of management activities. He identifies four roles which are based on different types of decisions. They are entrepreneur, disturbance handler, resource allocator, and the negotiator. Mintzberg found that managers don't perform equally or with equal frequency. From all the roles that he had described, there may be a dominant role which varies from job to job and time to time. It is important to note that many non-managers in an organization have these sort of interpersonal, informational, and decisional roles. Each routine situations are handled in routine ways. In contrast, the situation manager deals differ in the degree of routine, the size, the scope, and the complexity of the activities which they are involved, and the responsibilities associated with these activities. Now let's see about the four roles. First one is entrepreneur. Acting as an entrepreneur, managers should inspire changes and innovations. They should identify, create, and implement new ideas and projects to the organization or business concern. The second role is disturbance handler. As a disturbance handler, manager should deals with disputes and problems and take corrective actions. Any external and internal issues or roadblocks should be handled by managers if they are disturbance handlers. Third one is resource allocator. In this, the manager should decide where to apply their resources. As a resource allocator, managers should allocate and oversee the resources from fund to the equipments. The The fourth and the final one is negotiator. As a negotiator, the manager should defend business interest. The negotiator is responsible for participating and directing negotiations in their business organizations. Now we can see how we can apply these roles and improve in these roles. The first one is entrepreneur. To improve here, you need to build on your change management skills and to know what not to do while implementing these changes in your organizations. You will also need to work on your problem solving and creativity skills so that you can come up with new ideas and implement in your business organization successfully. The second one is disturbance handler. In this role, you need to excel at conflict resolutions and know how to handle team conflicts. It is also helpful to be able to manage emotions in your team. The third one is resource allocator. To improve you as a resource allocator, you need to learn how to manage the budget and cut costs and prioritize so that you can make the best use of resources in your organization. You can also use VRIO analyzers to learn how to get the best results from the resources available to you. The fourth one is negotiator. You can improve your negotiation skills by learning win-win negotiations and distributive bargaining. Decision making or decisional roles is an important or a vital role in an organization or a business concern. As a manager, we should know how to make decisions, how to handle conflicts in an organization, and to make the best use of our resources and we should get the best results with our resources and with our decisions. Thank you.